For centuries, we've been grappling with a tough question. How does our mind connect to the physical world? You see, science and philosophy have been caught in a tug of war, with materialism brushing off the mind as just an illusion, while dualism can't quite explain how these two worlds interact. So, here's a mind-blowing idea. What if they're not separate at all? What if both mind and matter are just different expressions of the same underlying reality? Enter the Cartesian Horizon theory. This theory, grounded in something called ontological Fourier mathematics, takes a fresh look at the age-old mind-body dilemma. At the heart of this theory is a revolutionary insight. Imagine dimensionless frequencies representing the mind, transforming into extended waveforms that represent matter. This transformation occurs at what we call the Fourier boundary, the Cartesian horizon. This is the magical bridge that explains how the immaterial realm becomes the material, tackling one of the biggest mysteries in science and philosophy head-on. Now, let's break down why this matters. First off, it tackles the mind-body problem head-on. Instead of thinking of mind and matter as separate entities, this theory shows they're just mathematical transformations of one another. Consciousness isn't a secondary phenomenon, it's the primary force shaping the physical world. Next, it brings us a true theory of everything. Think about it. Quantum mechanics dives into the mental, dimensionless domain, while relativity deals with the physical, dimensional world. The Cartesian horizon ties them together, offering a mathematical unification that could resolve the ongoing crisis in modern physics. Now let's talk about materialism. Traditional science has always assumed that matter is fundamental, but when we dig deeper, we find it struggles to explain things like singularities, entanglement, or even the observer effect. The Cartesian horizon theory flips that idea on its head, showing us that existence is fundamentally mathematical and mental, not material. But hold on, it gets even more fascinating. This theory unlocks the mechanism of reality creation itself. What if I told you that your mind actively generates physical reality? This perspective sheds light on concepts like manifestation and synchronicity, giving us a peek into the deeper structure of the universe. And what about those cosmic enigmas, black holes and wormholes? Well, black holes can be viewed as representing mental absorption, the singularity of the mind, while white holes symbolize physical projection, the emergence of matter. Wormholes? They connect different states of existence, bridging various realities. Now let's connect the dots. The Cartesian horizon theory serves as a bridge between science, philosophy, and even mysticism. Ancient wisdom aligns beautifully with modern physics, revealing that the soul, higher consciousness, and the nature of reality can now be understood through a mathematical lens. But it doesn't stop there. This theory has real-world applications too. Imagine new frontiers in AI consciousness, energy technology, and unlocking human potential springing forth from this knowledge. It opens up the keys to mastering mental frequencies, allowing us to shape our reality with intention and awareness. In essence, the Cartesian horizon theory redefines existence as we know it. It nudges us to recognize that the mind is the foundation of reality, while matter is simply its expression. This is the ultimate unification of science and metaphysics, leading us toward what could be described as the Second Enlightenment. So welcome to this new era, where we finally begin to understand who we are and what our reality truly represents. Isn't that a thought to ponder?